In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick analysis on Uber. I'm going to pull up TradingView real quick. But I'm hoping to start this out as like a new series where I'm going to try and analyze as many stocks or cryptocurrencies or assets in general as I can in the span of probably like 1 month in between each video on each asset. I think that could be really helpful for a lot of people. And so, I'm going to start making these and hopefully they'll help some people out. So let's get right to it. So this is Uber's chart on the daily time frame. You can see, so today is April 1st, 2024. You can see that we have these two relatively equal highs. You can even consider this as well a relatively equal high. So all of these should eventually be taken out, right? And as well, we're in an uptrend, which is something to really consider, right? If I zoom out, it's important to first zoom out and look at everything as a whole. So what happened from the very beginning? We swept out these lows in 2020, came up here, broke structure, came back down. We actually tested, if I do this real quick, so I took this final move down, so it becomes more clear if I zoom into the daily. But just like this sharp final move down that swept liquidity, measure the midpoint, and I bring it over. Let's see. You can see it reacted off of that midpoint, and it went up all the way towards these highs. This is the kind of stuff that can happen when you get a strong reaction off the midpoint of the final move down. You can see that this is also final move down. This is also a final move down. It reacted off of this as well. And if I just draw this out right here. So ever since May or June of 2023, we got this reaction off this key level right here, and we've been heading towards these highs. And now something to consider, right, is yes, we're in an uptrend, but we don't have any more draws on liquidity per se, which means we don't have any more highs to take out. So it's something that is important to think about. So with that in mind, here's kind of what I see, right? These equal highs have become a draw on liquidity, but we might not get there until, if I zoom in even further, we might not take these out until we get past this low. So how far below this low are we going to go? Well, that's anyone's guess, but here's the thing. This is the midpoint of the final move down, right? You see how I did that? So I took the high to the low, found the midpoint. There's the midpoint. Then another thing we can do to give this level a little bit more validation is we can test these like hidden Fibonacci levels that are in the chart. So this is the final move up into the sweep. So if I draw this out, so none of those levels were significant, none of those were significant. Okay, so first this red one lines up perfectly with this white line here. and then this gold one lines up perfectly as well. So those two different Fibonacci levels lined up at the exact same place of this final move down midpoint. And so with all that in mind, this, like, it might not come down all the way to here, but if it does, this is going to be a key level to watch for a reaction. If we got a reaction off of this key level, then I would very much anticipate that all of these highs will be taken out and price will likely rip through those highs. It's important to also consider the opposing side, which is, eventually markets go back down. And I mean, I would at least anticipate a reaction off of this level before really, I mean, even if, let's say, it reacts off this level and then it gets stopped up here and it keeps going down, I think there'll be a reaction off this level at the very least. That's my thought. All right, well, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, and I hope to make these just better and better in the future over time. And we'll check back on this in about a month and see where we are. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.